Alright, what's up? I got vlog number 2 today. I am actually on my way to go record some guitar parts for the new song that Journey Church International wrote, Difference Makers. Anyways, so yeah, I got a car full of guitars, amps, and a pedal board. So I'm going to start releasing these a little bit more often. I went back and watched the video from the other day because the whole point of this is to document the process of getting better at shooting tutorial videos in the hopes of at some point releasing an online class. And yeah, I'm going to try to document the whole thing. I explained it the other day. The only reason I stopped here when you see this beautiful background is because, well, it's a beautiful backdrop for a vlog on a Thursday morning before recording some guitar parts with Sammy Lee over here at the IHOP Studios in Kansas City, International House of Prayer. Anyways, a little shout out to them. Tomorrow I'm going to release another one. So I went back and I kind of critiqued the one before. I left a couple things out that I should have put in there. I you know, could have explained a few more things. I should have zoomed in a little on the camera, so I'm going to do that this time, or I'll probably move the camera a little bit closer. Right now I'm just using my iPhone. I have another camera that I'm going to start using as well. I'm also going to document the process of me getting better at editing video at some point. So tomorrow's video, or I might do it on Saturday as well, is also going to be unedited, probably like a one-take thing, just so I can kind of get better at it, get more confident behind the camera, in front of the camera, not behind the camera. And yeah, so keep watching, share, like the page if you like. This is my adventure into creating an online course. Watch the previous video to see kind of where it's all starting and where it's stemmed from. You guys have a good day.